Assalamualaikum. Well, my students, in this meeting, we are going to do some exercises as a review of Chapter 6. After doing these exercises, you will have to do the test. Please pay more attention to this video, then do your test carefully and correctly. Now, let's do the exercises together. Chapter 6, Making Sounds. Worksheet 1, Sounds in School. Take a walk around 3 different places in the school: to the classroom, to the canteen, and to the playground. Listen to the sounds in these places, or you can imagine that you are in those places. Write down through 2 different sounds you hear in each place, then write down the source of each sound. The example is we can hear the sound of talking in the classroom, and the source of the sound is the teacher. We also can hear the sound of laughing, and the source of the sound are the pupils. Then we also can hear the door open. The source of the sound is the door. In the canteen, we can hear the food, steps, the source of the sound from the pupils. And also we can hear the falling spoon. The source of the sound is the spoon. In the playground, we can hear the screaming of the children, and the source of the sound are pupils or the children. And we also can hear the rumbling of the machine from the car. From what you have observed, can living things or non-living things make sounds? The answer is both. Living thing and non-living things can make sounds. Let's go to the next page. Worksheet 2, Animal Sounds. 1. Your teacher will let you listen to 5 different animal sounds. 2. Name the animal that makes it sound. Write down your answer. What animals does make sound? Yes, the answer is the cat. The animal that makes sound, the dog. The animal that makes sound? Yes, it's a cow. And that's the sound of chicken. And the last, okay, it's the sound of the sheep. Worksheet 3. Loud or soft? Circle the loud sounds. Cat purring, is it loud or soft? Yes, it's a soft sound. Alarm clock ringing, it's a loud sound. Hammering, it's a loud sound. Thunder rumbling, it's a loud sound. Door banging, it's a loud sound. Children whispering, loud or soft? Yes, it's soft sound. Butterfly fluttering, it's a soft sound. Fireworks crackling, it's a loud sound. Paper falling, it's a soft sound. Worksheet 4. Does sound move? 1. Turn on a radio for some music. Make sure the music is not too loud for your ears. A. What is the source of the music? The radio is the source of the music. Why are you able to hear the music? The music moves from the radio and enters my ears. Walk away from the radio. Does the music get louder or softer as you walk away? Yes, of course, it gets softer. Walk back to the radio again. Does the music get louder or softer as you walk back? It gets louder. Worksheet 5. Sound puzzle. Use the clues to fill in the puzzle on the next page. Let's focus from number 1. Alvin hears a bird tweeting. The sound moves from the bird and enters Alvin's ears. Number 2. Humans, animals, and non-living things can make sounds. Sounds. Number 3. As we move away from the source of a sound, the sound we hear gets softer. Number 4. The telephone is ringing. The blah 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 of the sound is the telephone, the source of the sound. Number 5, we should stop, look, and listen when we want to cross a road. Number 6, Jane cannot hear what Intan is whispering. The sound is too soft. Let's review. Sounds come from sources such as animals, humans, and non-living things. And sounds can be loud or soft. And loud sounds can be blocked by wearing earmuff. Sounds can be heard when they enter our ears and get softer as they move away from their sources. That's the end of our lesson. See you next session. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.